Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Speak Bench. I'm Grace, and this is episode 7, and a very special one.
Episode 7. Jack here, and today is special because we are officially starting level 2 of our Real English A to Z series.
Level 2! Listeners, if you have been with us from episode 1, take a moment right now. You have completed level 1. You can greet people, introduce yourself, describe your routine, talk about likes and dislikes, shop in English, and navigate a new city. That is real, usable English.
And if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. You can still follow along today perfectly, and I strongly recommend going back to episode 1 when you have time.
Level 2 is called Elementary English. We're going deeper. More grammar, more natural conversation, more real-life situations. And today, we are diving into one of the most important tenses in the English language.
The past tense. The tense that lets you tell stories, share memories, describe what happened, connect with people over shared experiences.
Exactly. Because here's the truth. Most conversations are not just about right now. They're about what happened before. What did you do yesterday? How was your weekend? Have you ever been to...
The past tense opens up a whole new world of conversation, and today we're going to make it completely natural.
Jack, before we start the grammar, I have a question. What did you do last weekend?
Well, I woke up on Saturday at 11:30. I stayed in bed until noon, I watched 3 episodes of a cooking show, I ordered pizza, and I went to bed at 2 in the morning.
That is genuinely the most relaxed weekend I have ever heard described.
I needed rest. My body was asking for it. What about you?
I woke up at 6, went for a run, cooked a big breakfast, visited my friend for lunch, we went to an art gallery, I came home and made soup for dinner, and I read for 2 hours before bed.
Grace, that was one day. That was one day of your weekend.
Saturday was productive. Sunday was more relaxed.
And listeners, did you notice something? Both Grace and I just described our weekends using the past tense. Woke up, stayed, watched, ordered, went, cooked, visited, all past tense.
Exactly. And that is what today's episode is all about. Let's break it down properly. The simple past tense. What is it and when do we use it?
We use the simple past for actions that started and finished in the past, a completed action. Yesterday, I cooked dinner. Last week, I visited my family. In 2020, I started learning English.
Key time expressions that signal past tense. Yesterday, last week, last year, last night, this morning, 2 days ago, in 2019, when I was young.
Yesterday, I cooked pasta. Last night, I watched a film. 2 hours ago, I made coffee. This morning, I walked to the studio.
Now, how do we form the past tense? There are 2 types of verbs. Regular verbs and irregular verbs. Let's start with regular verbs. They're simple.
Regular verbs, you just add ed to the end. Walk becomes walked. Cook becomes cooked. Watch becomes watched. Talk becomes talked. Clean becomes cleaned.
I walk to work every day. Present tense. I walked to work yesterday. Past tense.
I cook dinner every evening. Present. I cooked dinner last night. Past.
But there's an important spelling rule. If the verb ends in E, you just add D, not ED. Like becomes liked. Love becomes loved. Dance becomes danced.
I like coffee. I liked this coffee shop yesterday. I love jazz. I loved that concert last week.
And if the verb ends in a consonant plus Y, you change the Y to I and add ED. Study becomes studied. Try becomes tried. Carry becomes carried.
I studied for 3 hours yesterday. I tried a new restaurant last week. She carried all the bags herself.
But now, irregular verbs. These are the verbs that don't follow the ED rule. They change completely. And the good news is you just have to learn them. But the even better news, the most common ones come up all the time, so you'll memorize them naturally.
Let's go through the most important ones. Go, went. Come, came. See, saw.
Have, had. Get, got. Make, made. Take, took. Give, gave.
I go to the gym. I went to the gym yesterday. I see my friends. I saw my friends last weekend.
I have breakfast. I had breakfast this morning. I get up early. I got up at 7 today.
More important ones: eat becomes ate, drink becomes drank, sleep becomes slept, wake becomes woke, feel becomes felt, buy becomes bought.
I ate sushi last night. I drank 3 cups of coffee this morning. I slept for 9 hours. I woke up late. I felt tired. I bought new shoes.
And one very important one, be. Am, is, are in the present become was and were in the past. I am tired. I was tired yesterday. They are happy. They were happy last week.
I was at home all day yesterday. She was very excited about the trip. We were so tired after the hike.
Now, negative past tense. How do we say something didn't happen?
Easy. We used didn't plus the base form of the verb. Didn't is short for did not, and the main verb goes back to its base form. No past tense ending needed.
I didn't go to the gym yesterday, even though I should have.
I didn't cook dinner last night. I ordered food instead.
Notice, I didn't go, not I didn't went. The didn't already carries the past information. The main verb stays in base form.
I didn't eat breakfast this morning. I didn't watch the news. I didn't see that film yet.
And now, past tense questions. How do we ask about the past?
We use did plus the subject plus the base form of the verb. Did you go? Did she eat? Did they arrive?
Did you go to the party on Saturday?
No, I didn't. I stayed home. Did you have fun?
Yes, I did. It was really enjoyable.
And notice the short answers. Yes, I did. No, I didn't. We don't repeat the full verb in the short answer.
Now, sequence words. These are the words that connect your past tense sentences into a smooth story. First, then, after that, next, later, finally, eventually, in the end.
First, I woke up and had coffee. Then I went for a walk. After that, I cooked breakfast. Later, I called my mom. Finally, I watched a film and went to bed at 2 in the morning, and I slept like a champion.
See how those sequence words turn a list of events into a proper story? That is the difference between basic past tense and natural flowing English.
If you're enjoying Level 2 so far, please like the video and subscribe to the Speak Bench, and comment below, what did you do yesterday?
We want to read your past tense stories. 3 sentences, morning to evening, use the sequence words first, then, finally. Let's see them.
Now, the full conversation. Grace, let's describe our weekends in full detail using everything we've learned. Me first. I'll go through my very lazy Saturday.
Please do. I cannot wait to hear this.
Okay, so first, I woke up at 11:30. I didn't set an alarm because I knew I needed rest. I stayed in bed for another 30 minutes just looking at the ceiling.
Looking at the ceiling. Productive.
Continuing, then I eventually got up and made a very strong cup of coffee. I didn't eat breakfast because it was almost lunchtime. I watched 2 episodes of a cooking show, which is ironic because I didn't cook anything all day.
You watched a cooking show but didn't cook.
The show was inspiring. I just didn't feel inspired enough to actually stand up and cook. After that, I ordered a pizza, a large one, with extra cheese.
Of course.
Continuing, in the afternoon, I called my brother. We talked for about an hour. Then I went out for a short walk because I felt guilty about sitting inside all day. I saw a really beautiful sunset actually. That was the highlight.
Oh, that's lovely. You went out for a walk.
I did, and then I came back, made tea, watched another film, and went to bed at 2 in the morning, and I slept like a champion.
That was a perfect past tense story. Let's count. Woke up, stayed, made, watched, ordered, called, talked, went, felt, saw, came back, made, watched, slept. 14 past tense verbs in one story. Some regular, some irregular.
I didn't even realize I was using that many. That's the beauty of the past tense. Once you learn it, it flows naturally.
Okay, my turn. My Saturday was slightly busier.
Slightly.
First, I woke up at 6. I made coffee and drank it while I got ready. Then I went for a 30-minute run. It was cold but beautiful outside. After my run, I came home and cooked a proper breakfast. Eggs, toast, avocado.
Already more accomplished than my entire day.
Continuing, then I visited my friend Lisa. We hadn't seen each other for a month, so we talked for hours. We decided to go to an art gallery in the afternoon. We saw an incredible photography exhibition.
What kind of photography?
Black and white portraits of everyday people from around the world. It was absolutely stunning. After the gallery, we found a small cafe and had tea and cake. Then I came home, made a big pot of chicken soup for dinner, and read for 2 hours before bed.
I'm exhausted just listening to that.
It was a good day. And listeners, notice the irregular verbs in my story. Woke, went, tame, cooked, made, drank, saw, had, found, read. All irregular past tense forms.
And the regular ones, visited, talked, decided. Just add ed or d. The mix of regular and irregular is completely natural.
Now, let's talk about common mistakes in past tense. Jack, ready to play the nervous student?
Do I have to?
You love it, really.
Nervous student voice. Yesterday, I goed to the supermarket.
Listeners, did you hear it?
Goed. That's not a word.
Exactly. Go is an irregular verb. The past tense is went, not goed. Yesterday, I went to the supermarket.
Correcting. Yesterday, I went to the supermarket.
Perfect. Try another.
Nervous student. I didn't went to the party.
Almost. After didn't, what form does the verb take?
Thinking. Oh, base form. I didn't go to the party, not went.
Exactly. Didn't already shows past. The main verb goes back to base form. I didn't go, I didn't eat, I didn't see.
Another mistake. Did she went to work yesterday?
Same rule. In questions with did, the verb stays in base form. Did she go to work yesterday? Not went.
Correcting. Did she go to work yesterday?
Perfect. That rule is the same for both negatives and questions. Did and didn't take the base form.
Now, rapid fire practice. I'll describe a situation. You give me the correct past tense sentence.
Ready.
Let's go.
Quick. You ate breakfast this morning.
Quick. I ate breakfast this morning. Or I had breakfast this morning.
Quick. You didn't watch TV last night.
Quick. I didn't watch TV last night. I read instead.
Quick. Ask me if I went to the gym yesterday.
Quick. Did you go to the gym yesterday?
Quick. You woke up early and felt tired.
Quick. I woke up early, but I felt really tired all morning.
Quick. Describe 3 things you did yesterday using first, then, finally.
Quick. First, I woke up and made coffee. Then I answered some emails. Finally, I went for a walk in the park before dinner.
Beautiful.
Use first, then, finally. Mix regular and irregular past tense verbs. We want to read your stories.
Episode 8 is coming next week. How was your weekend? We're going even deeper into past tense storytelling with more detail, more emotion, and more natural phrases.
Thank you so much for being here today. If this episode helped you, subscribe, like, and share with someone who needs past tense practice.
I'm Jack from the Speak Bench, where real conversations meet real English. And I'm Grace. See you in episode 8. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. And remember, yesterday is gone, but your English can always get better.